Make this song play now.
Let's see on the beat.
Bakusike we obakachara Yone choli no ani kanyata Mageno tajo wani do things I go Honor no ge no ya hypertension Nana ifa no sigo wani If I never take it up and take it up Baby girl don't you Give me your phone, baby, make a check it something. In a jungle, two things are involved. Open message, you won't know your hypertension. How about the panda below of a quaco? As I give my university in a city. But I got 400. Everyone I know, that's not no garage, because they might go again one. Upon your mother, they took my bubble. You go to buy you, you're going to press a if you go to Corona Bayan. One let me go there, 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 Mana ngumu guys na di banjo makoto ikobe ya mwani kame yanu akama dinoya ubi hapo Nigeria limited aba ifa na toto na ebuke magara fumba se hitagira higa patata hubweza
My people, please, if you have the full song of this Sean Breeze and this brother, I've forgotten his name, but I'm sorry that I don't remember his name, but it's only Sean Breeze 046 that I know. It's a nice song. Please, if you have the full song, let me have it. I would love to be playing it, and you can check it out on TikTok. It's a nice music. My people, sorry guys, I'm doing this thing very late. Normally I'm not supposed to make a video by this time. You people know it's been longer. I did a night video because of the instability in the power supply, so that's why I hardly do evening videos. So that being said, this video I've been wanting to do something on it, although I will still do a short one. I don't know if I'll be free to do it tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning I have to run around a little bit. We have a press conference tomorrow, so I just want to come and deliberate this. And first of all, I want to thank those of you that reached out to me. Famous DJ Obinna, the one mother, Chimeze, my brother. You no go count your own, now you now family member, and all the people that reached out. And that is all of you. I greet you, Prince Lewis Armstrong Peters. Yeah, as you can see, I'm fine. I'm just trying to take things a bit slow in preparation of what's to come. But that being said, I just want to say a little thing or two, because I don't know who is giving our brother Isa Baku the information on where he is sourcing his information from. You know, it's obvious it's been long he came to Nigeria, and he doesn't know much about Nigeria other than the information he can source online. And most of all these sources people normally use, of course, someone like Isa Bako knows how the algorithm is always tilted against the real truth, against the real information, and how these people aggregate what they put on top of all the search engines. But please, Nigerians, we shouldn't forget how we got where we are today on the Niger Delta issue. States like Imo, Abia, and of recent Anambra and Ondo, the oil money we are all enjoying today stems from the activism of people like Alhaji Dokubo Asari, His Royal Majesty Alhaji Dokubo Asari. So, in no way should anybody classify him as, maybe you just put him in the same frame as all these criminals. No. All these ones that are calling themselves freedom fighters, that are calling themselves revolutionaries, ask them to present results of whatever they've been doing. Find that there is nothing. There is a difference between a real fight that yields results, tangible results you can see, and all these people that are into the business of aggregating problems. Their business model is to be highlighting problems for you and filling your heads with one problem or another, telling you there is this, that, and no solution. The 13% derivation, every single oil producing state in Nigeria now enjoys 13% derivation, courtesy of people like Ateketon. Whether you like them or not, whatever you think about them, whatever you may feel about the tactic they use, about whatever they did, or the outcome, the eventual outcome, because yes, there is no black and white in anything, especially anything that has to do with arms. There must be a blowback one way or another. But let us remember that oil producing states are receiving money today thanks to what they did. Those of us from Imo State, most of our political leaders contributed nothing to that fight. Same goes to the people from Abia State. Same goes to the people from Ondo. Even the people in Anambra were drilling their oil and selling individuals. Just like in Ebonyi State today, you see many people doing their mining and enjoying it. No one talks to them. Tomorrow, when that fight will start again, anyway, we are not going there yet. But people like His Royal Majesty Alhaji Dokubo Asari, they are the ones that actually paid the price. Do you know how many Niger Delta youths perished just to get that 13% derivation? Yeah, even though many of their political leaders collected that money and they didn't do anything, it's a shame that you come to a state like Biafra State and it will still be the way it is. Look at how Biafra State is looking. But those that decided to use theirs, that 13% derivation is the beauty of Akwa Ibom you see today. Is the beauty of Rivers State you see today. Check the states that actually want to work. Look at what they are doing with it. So, on no account should anyone place Alhaji Dokubo Asari In the same vein, I saw these fools that are destroying their places. And people will be talking about, oh, amnesty. Oh, they gave Niger Delta. Yes, Niger Deltans were fighting for something. They were actually fighting for something. All these ones in the south is buying their own people. What are they fighting for? What are they fighting for? These criminals, you see, everybody shouting Fulani Herdsmen. Are you seeing the ethnic composition of all the people being arrested in Plateau State? In all these places in Plateau State, many of Nigerians are too easy to deceive. They don't think, they don't reason. That's why a bunch of criminals can use anything to fool them. Now, you people saw Asari Dokubo's boys. Oh, they are carrying AK. What type of gun do you expect them to hold? Huh? Can you secure a pipeline? You don't even know that the more you are attacking him, is the more you are paving the way for the criminals that want to unleash terror. You think many people are happy that the oil companies are now operating with this limited safety? So you don't realize that so many people are seeing them as stumbling block, just like they are seeing them as stumbling block in Imo State. Huh? Are you not understanding the game that is going on? And many of them, because one thing I love about Alhaji Asari Dokubo, whatever his stance is on anything, he makes it known. He makes it known. And because they know he's not going to support their political candidate, now in their mind, he is going to be a stumbling block. I'm giving this message to Issa Bako because I'm sure he doesn't understand this one. He's an American. He is just a Nigerian by blood. But he doesn't understand that this is tied to the 2027 election. Many of them still believe that what they couldn't finish doing end SARS, the end SARS baby coup of 2020, what they couldn't accomplish with it, then they wanted to complete in 2023. And as far as they are concerned, Alhaji Dokubo Asari is the #1 person that stopped them, especially here in Abuja. Because it would have started in Abuja, then Lagos will erupt. So most Nigerians don't understand the game afoot here. How many of them are aware? Issa Bako, you are from the north. I'm sure you know Shiroro and what is going on in Shiroro. Who are the people, who are the majority of the JTF protecting Shiroro from all these illegal miners that call themselves Islamists, whom we know what they are doing? Huh? Are you unaware that it's still the same boys? So you are expecting them to carry what? Shotgun. It will not happen. Everything you are seeing, I'm getting an important call, is tied to the 2023 election. Nigerians, don't let anybody fool you. Do not fall into this trap. Don't let anyone deceive you. You can't show me one evil you can attribute to Alhaji Dokubo Asari and his boys. If anything, many people from the north that are attacking him, go there and check it. They are the owners of these boys causing insecurity. They are blocking them from mining in all these places. They are buying people. All in the name of imagine people that say they are bringing Islam, but you are killing Muslims. Then you have these bastards from the southeast, because he is the stumbling block against these IPOB ESM bandits. They will want to give him a bad name, but it's not working. It is not working. See how you measure the goodness or evil of somebody. Ask people from the direct place that person is operating in. Ask people that are directing, affected by those people's action. There is no single person from Osu that is calling for the removal of Asari Dokubo's boys. You can't find me one. Many of these idiots shouting on social media, how many of them have been to Osu? Huh? How many of them have been to Osu? Do they know the people protecting Osu? Do they know the people that made it possible for people to start going back to their farms, going back to their communities? Huh? And you, an ordinary person, some of you are just following the crowd, whatever the crowd says. Try and go to the front. Go and visit the front line. Ask anybody from Shiroro. Ask anybody from Bama, Baga. Immediately they withdraw from anywhere, you begin to see problems. See, do not trust many of these our top army officers. So many of them don't care about the lives of all these junior officers. You see all these staff sergeants, all these master sergeants, all these small ones. Many of them don't care about them. Some of these guys you are seeing are making money from that insecurity. So they will not see kindly anybody that is helping bring security. Some of them are making money from the mining. Then the rest are the ones that want it to be too horrible that their budget will increase. In case you people don't know what is fueling this insecurity, many of them are working with all these foreigners. So no way you are joining in condemning those that you should be supporting. Nothing is as clear as or simple as it seems. There are so many things you don't know. The conspiracy is too high. Even the president himself is even afraid of himself. Even many people around the president, they are afraid of many of these people because they don't know who is who. There is huge money involved, so it's easy to compromise people. And now, Isabako, you are in the USA. How many PMCs do you have in the southern hemisphere of America alone? Eric Prince has people he works for, even though they keep changing the name. Blackwater is still active. There are so many people too, other PMCs there. Many of them are sending people to Ukraine. Many of them are sending people to the Middle East. Many of them, not because of this one that are doing with Iran, no. In all these American bases all over the world, many of those soldiers you are seeing with their Chevron badge are contractors. They are contractors. So what's wrong in Nigeria having our own PMC we will contract to help secure our borders, to help secure our resources, our mining sites? People we should be thanking. Every governor receiving 13% oil derivation should be giving something to Tompolo, Boilo, all of these guys, because they are the ones that fought for it. They actually fought for something. You see why their own amnesty program makes sense. You see why their own amnesty program is different from all these criminals that are telling you gentle amnesty for what? And I, for one, I am against amnesty for any terrorist. I don't care where the person is from. Beginning from my own place. I vehemently oppose it. So many of the places those boys, you see, it's just a shame that you go with Joy, you will see him embarrassing himself. He himself cannot go and protect all those places those guys are protecting. His own local government is a no-go area. Tell Ugo Ebujo to go now at Umunoha. There is an ongoing operation in Umunoha. You say you are the military. Go there, arm yourself. Go. Come, we will shoot you up. What do you want? What do you want? You need the vehicle, we will give you. You need body armor, we will provide. You need AA, we will give you. Rocket launcher, Ijele. Those social media making noise, telling us how you are in a US military. Look at your backyard there, your own local government. What's the distance between Umuna and Umudrebua? Every day typing nonsense on social media. Well, arm yourself and go fight as Asari Dokubo is fighting. I don't want Baladalun them. Just making noise like children and women. Every day. Creek General, Creek. You, which one are you? Dryland General go, or Dryland Colonel. Go show yourself. Let's see. Go show yourself worthy. Go to the front. Ordinary IED now you will run. But you people come here every day. Want to lecture who? Every day we run on a photo. Take a gun. Are you not a man? Well, arm yourself and go. Go enlist. Come, I go give you. I go. You don't need special enlistment. I go give you phone call. Reach over there, then go carry you. Now your place, then they fight. Go there, fight your own. If you go there, you don't see Asari boys. Come back. Come, make I give you my own. Every day is just problem. Have you asked yourself, Nigerians, why is it that it's only problem these people are giving you? Why are they not giving you solution? And the people actually bringing solution are the ones they want you to be attacking. The other I saw a photo he showed of a soldier at his post on the floor. Where was he supposed to be before? Where was he supposed to? Have you not seen American soldiers inside the bush, inside the forest before? Huh? When you see them there, you see them with a camp bed. If I go to Osun sometimes, 2 a.m. I dey outside. Where do you think I will be then? Inside a parlor. Balancing or what? Go there, see your mates outside, lying down outside. Because it's how it's done. Are they going to be there forever? They've conditioned Nigerians to hate their country, to hate everything about their country, to hate them, and they are transferring that hatred to themselves without even knowing it. Where for this life where soldiers know they lie down for ground? If we are talking about soldiers' welfare, yes, I am all for taking care of the soldiers. I don't think their salaries are enough. But every little thing, using it to disparage the country, everybody now will be insulting the country as they like. See the useless Alex Babegu, I don't know if he's a CIA or NSA, fool, will come here and be talking down on us. No, I was in a hotel, 10 minutes from there. How the fuck do you know it will happen there? America, who the fuck is America? Have you talked about the homelessness over there? Did you not see the food their soldiers are eating on their aircraft carrier? You did not see their food? Go on X now and see the food on their aircraft carrier. Am I the one taking the pictures of the soldier or the sailors? Anybody will just be anywhere talking rubbish. Other countries are good to have their own private military, but we can't. Why? Why? That person no provoke me. My people, I didn't want to, raise my voice. For the person that is saying I'm under the weather, I was under the weather, but I'm fine now. I just decided not to be shouting for these people again. So I say, my brother, I can't visit my village in Arondizog because of those. You see, now go just state you. He has not contributed anything to the security there. But their own is just to be online typing nonsense. If you are a strong man, show yourself worthy now. Show yourself worthy. Come strap up, let's go. Come strap up, let's go. Fear go let them. Fear go let them. And to the day social media, they type rubbish, talk rubbish. Show us what you did in your youth. You can't. Me said like this, I ready to carry that gun. You go see me there. You go see me there. I no go there back. They talk. You go see me there, koro. Then if you can't put your life on that, why don't you just shut up? Frida, no, not common sense. Useless people. None of them have done anything to protect their place. So when they go home, that's so they go they hide. They go see all those boys who win the then they go come back. Hey, what the Kane is doing? But you they see those boys for your village. Why you don't talk to them? They go reach village, they go calm. They go resemble snake. Quiet. Now today's social media, they type rubbish. If I talk, I won't come talk. Me, I no go ever hide my feelings about anybody. I go call now the mama na show everybody know am. Sammy dead they been dey fuck am when he die alive. Who no know? Ana m anọ n'ukwu onugbu na-agwa ya na ọ na-enu. This is what makes you a man. Ọ bụghị nọ na social media na-akọghị. Ọ nọ n'ukwu onugbu. Ị na-agwa ya na ọ na-enu ilu egwu ihe ọ ga-eme ome. Every day you're online insulting people that you can never do 10% of what they've done. Never in any ramification. You can never untie their sandals. You think Alhaji Dokubo Asari loves being called names? But if you have it, you have it. There are men who cannot stand and watch their community get destroyed, and some people, their community extend to the full country. It's easy to be typing nonsense on social media now. If you go on your na moto nwere accident before, no they were on the name people go to pitom go dey play safe side, safe. Oh, let me play it safe. Major brave men they cook with big group. Brave men won't talk, you say we can't talk. Yeah, I know I made it. You know, and when I want to go home, and I'm traveling home, that's what block me, may thunder fire you. Nochie muzo ka mgbogbu oge ka enwuo. Me go fear who are these people? Who they were mbo? When I get bullet. Obu ebe men who na-ekwu okwu anyhow person put on na-ekwu eri. Asari Dokubo said, what did he do you? What did he do to you? Okay, he's protecting his place. You go protect your own place, make we see. Do you not realize that if everybody protect their place the way he protected his place, the whole Nigeria will be protected? Are you not aware? I go see all these ones from middle belt. You know, people like this Adamagaji, Innocent is a huge disappointment. All these ones that call themselves atheists, you know, they are the most useless people I've seen. It's noise every time. You call yourself a man. It's easy for you to come and insult outside of God. Protect your own home. Let's see now. Protect your home as he's protecting his own home. Let's see where that insecurity will come from in Nigeria. You know, say Nigeria get army, Air Force and Navy before they protect your place. Why can't you protect your own place? The beribe. Noise makers. Foolish set of people. These slaves. Descendants of slaves. Bastards that can't even tell their fellow human beings how they feel. Fools. Now to come social media at the time. Your heart break. You know if you carry gun. Foolish people. Call security for their community now, they go run. Women will be packing their bags and running. You, man, you go to run too. Useless set of people. They follow women and children, they drag back, they carry back, they drag, they run. If not to come type rubbish, you call you bastards. You people disgust me. Motherfuckers. Now the kind they use phone now. This one not be when they say no this one. Tell them say still they damn if they born useless and show mama well. Make him put camp for my community, make I see. Foolish people. Shebi, they hear me now. If you know you cut this side, tell am say that the way he make comments for in broadcast, say the person wey dey talk for Abuja make him go in village. That camp wey he take because of am make that comment. Ask am where the camp dey now, and after he make that comment, how many hours? He no reach 72 hours now. He know what. He know. Ask am wait. Ask him man I can't wait till they pursue am anytime when you see me. Ask am wetin dey pursue am anytime when he see me. She say me and una come here the price go to £1. Chena mo na baby you can name £1. Ask a man I can this one no be tell am. Ask am the last time wey I see am for Federal High Court. Shebi dem dey beg am tell am say make he come back. He dey run, dey go, dey hide for this thing. No be for their middle I dey do video. Why camp no go disappear? This is the mindset we need in Nigeria to solve all this nonsense. Politicians go they gather all these people. They use them, they distract others. They destroy everywhere. Election don't reach every day. They must hear noise. Now today they begin kidnap people. But only bad news. Oh, just to make sure they tell you there is insecurity. As if we have more insecurity now than before. No, now the reportage be the problem. Baga, people dey Bagana. People dey Bamana. Sambisa forest, where dem dey now, no big pass where dem dey before. Before nobody dey Bama, nobody dey Baga. Nobody. All these fish wey we dey chop for Abuja now, that time now all these people dey sell am. Now people are back, but you will not know this listening to Nigerian news. Go to Sahara Reporters. Wait, let me block this one. When Nigerian army by soldier, by Boko Haram, you go see the video, the photo where army go publish. You will hear army claim to have. See operation where we dey for Osun. Now they say now wetin happen for Ondo State, happy Osun State. Operation wey me dey on the ground. Operation wey me dey on the ground. The day wey we use bulldozer set trap for them. Now for inside the video, now see say the people wey go dey mention my name. Hey, see Udele and this thing. Una dey there, they shoot them, they kill them there. But they just cut it off. I had to go and make a new video the next day. And they do like say they no see am. This country, we will not surrender it to anybody. Both you people and your foreign collaborators, you will fail in this country. If your foreign collaborators don't take time, they will lose it the way they lost Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali. And it will be worse from Nigeria side. If they don't stop this nonsense, they think they will do, I swear you will finish his 8 years. Then we will hand this thing to a military power that they will never get even an ounce of uranium from this country again. You think you are dealing with our parents generation that don't know anything? You think you are dealing with the generations of the past? We will never surrender this country for anybody. All of them, their children, everybody, that revolution was on a define on a go see our. You see that anarchy on a define. When he said we go know the people that will survive. Useless set of people.